Mastering essay outlines, organizing main points and supporting evidence. Hello, dear learners. Today, we'll dive deep into the art of crafting the perfect essay outline. A well-structured outline not only sets the foundation for a powerful essay but also helps you organize your thoughts and evidence more effectively. In this lesson, we'll focus on organizing main points and supporting evidence. So, let's get started. Before we delve into the nitty-gritty of organizing main points and evidence, it's essential to understand why an outline is so crucial. An outline provides a blueprint for your essay, ensuring you stay on track. It helps in organizing your thoughts, ensuring that every point is backed by relevant evidence. The process of creating an outline often helps in identifying gaps in your argument, which you can address beforehand. When drafting an outline, it's essential to distinguish between the main points you want to make and the evidence supporting them. Main points. These are the primary arguments or statements you wish to make in your essay. Think of them as the pillars holding up your essay. Example: exercise is beneficial for mental health. Supporting evidence. These are the details, facts, examples, or data that back up your main points. Without them, your main points would lack credibility. Example: according to a study by XYZ University, individuals who exercise regularly reported 30% lower rates of depression compared to non-exercisers. Now that we know the difference, let's discuss how to organize them. 1. Prioritize your main points. Not all points carry equal weight. Decide the order of your main points based on their relevance or strength. 2. Cluster relevant evidence. Under each main point, list down all the supporting evidence you have. It's like building a mini argument for each main point. 3. Ensure variety. For a robust essay, try to use various types of evidence, such as statistics, quotes, and examples. This adds depth and dimension to your arguments. 4. Consistency is key. Ensure that each main point has roughly an equal amount of supporting evidence. This ensures balance in your essay. And there we have it. By effectively organizing your main points and supporting evidence, you lay the groundwork for a compelling and well-structured essay. Remember, every powerful essay starts with a thoughtfully crafted outline. We hope this video helps you in your GMAT and GRE essay writing journey. Happy writing, and see you in the next lesson.